Indonesia's financial markets have recently experienced sharp volatility as global credit agencies reassess the country's economic outlook. Stock indices slipped and rupiah weakened following a major ratings outlook downgrade by a leading credit agency. Investors are closely watching measures to enhance transparency, predictability, and investor confidence in markets and governance frameworks. Indonesia's finance authorities are responding with clarifications on economic fundamentals and long-term plans to secure stable growth, while analysts debate how short-term price movements reflect deeper structural shifts in Asia's largest economy. In a major economic development, Indonesia's sovereign wealth fund has launched significant natural resource processing projects valued at billions of dollars. TC initiatives span green energy, biofuels, agricultural processing, and integrated food production facilities across Java and Kalimantan. The projects reflect long-term industry diversification and the government's push to onboard private sector investment into value-added sectors. Processors for aluminum, bioethanol, and poultry aim to enhance domestic supply chains. TC strategic investments are intended to create jobs, deepen downstream production, and reinforce Indonesia's role as a regional industrial hub. Indonesia continues to strengthen strategic cooperation in the Indo-Pacific region through expanded bilateral agreements with neighboring partners. A new security treaty concluded with Australia signifies deeper defense dialogue and shared commitment to regional stability. The agreement builds on the Chades OTS, updating collaboration frameworks to include joint training and mutual consultation processes. While not a mutual defense pact per se, this highlights evolving regional diplomacy as nations seek more robust engagement on issues like maritime security and cooperative exercises. The move underscores Indonesia's active role in shaping its regional relationships. Cultural initiatives in Indonesia are gaining fresh momentum as organizations work to define and promote the country's culinary identity worldwide. A National Culinary Council has undertaken efforts to classify and celebrate Indonesia's vast gastronomic diversity. With over thousands of indigenous dishes across dozens of ethnic groups, this initiative seeks to elevate Indonesian cuisine to global recognition. Efforts include documentation of traditional recipes, culinary festivals, and partnerships with chefs and tourism boards to showcase authentic dishes. This renewed focus on food heritage mirrors growing global appreciation for Southeast Asia's rich flavors. In addition to culinary culture, environmental tourism is drawing international attention. Places like Raja Ampat and Flores are being highlighted for their exceptional dark sky environments, combining clear night skies with vibrant marine ecosystems. TC locations offer unique opportunities for stargazing, ecotourism, and underwater exploration, attracting enthusiasts from around the world. Tour operators and local communities are working to promote sustainable travel experiences that respect ecological balance while supporting livelihoods. The rise of astrotourism complements Indonesia's broader push to diversify its tourism offerings beyond beaches and cultural heritage. Natural disasters remain a significant challenge across the archipelago as heavy, seasonal rains trigger landslides and flooding. In West Bandung, tragic landslides have claimed lives and left many missing, prompting large-scale search and rescue operations. Emergency response teams from across regions have mobilized to support affected communities, while efforts continue to assess infrastructure damage and provide humanitarian aid. Indonesia's geographic diversity, from mountainous terrains to tropical rainbelts, makes disaster preparedness and resilient systems vital for protecting vulnerable populations and critical infrastructure. Indonesia's agricultural sector is also making headlines as the National Logistics Agency sets ambitious rich export targets. officials have announced a quota of 1 million tons of rice for export in 2026 while ensuring domestic food security needs are met, especially ahead of major festivals and seasonal demands. This export plan signals confidence in agricultural productivity and strategic food reserves. Discussions with potential ASEAN partners aim to expand market access while maintaining stable domestic supply levels for rice, which remains a staple crop and essential commodity for Indonesian households. In tourism development news, Indonesia is pursuing increased foreign visitor numbers, particularly targeting a surge in Indian tourism. A major travel expo in Mumbai Shallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, a strong Indonesian delegation promoting diverse destinations, cultural attractions, and hospitality offerings to Indian tourists. With ambitious goals for visitor growth, Indonesia's tourism sector aims to boost economic contribution and international engagement. Tourism professionals emphasize tailored marketing and collaborative travel packages to position the nation as a top choice for cultural exploration, natural beauty, and experiential travel experiences. Indonesia is hosting significant international sports events, including a major regional futsal championship, the FC Futsal Asian Cup, featuring national teams from across the continent, showcases Indonesia's capacity to organize high-level sports competitions. Fans across the country have been cheering for matches, which combine athletic excellence with cross-country sportsmanship. Hosting prestigious events enhances Indonesia's sports infrastructure and promotes youth engagement in athletics. TC tournaments also create platforms for cultural exchange and national pride while stimulating local economies. Indonesia's automotive and mobility sectors are evolving with innovation and industry showcases. The 2026 International Motor Show brought numerous global and domestic brands to display cutting-edge vehicles, including electric and hybrid models. With a growing emphasis on sustainable transportation, manufacturers and tech developers are presenting solutions that align with environmental goals. Government bodies, private enterprises, and academia are collaborating to accelerate adoption of clean mobility technologies while encouraging local production and skilled workforce development. This focus on smart transportation reflects broader industrial modernization ambitions. Education remains a priority in Indonesia, with ongoing initiatives to improve teacher welfare and expand opportunities. Government agencies have announced increased incentives for contract teachers, aimed at supporting better educational outcomes and teacher motivation across regions. This boost in compensation, while modest, is part of a wider push to strengthen Indonesia's educational foundation. By investing in educators, policymakers hope to nurture a more skilled and capable future workforce, advancing quality education services that underpin societal progress and economic competitiveness. Indonesia's tourism calendar boasts vibrant cultural festivals and events throughout the year, from traditional sea-related celebrations to fitness and running festivals in urban centers. TC events celebrate diversity and local customs, drawing both domestic and international visitors. Rituals like the Baunyale Festival in Lombok merge nature, folklore, and community spirit, while citywide activities promote health, creativity, and shared heritage. TC celebrations enrich the nation as cultural fabric and provide dynamic content for cultural tourism and global interest. The Indonesian finance sector is preparing for future transformation through upcoming regional summits focused on digital ecosystems, e-governance, and intelligent finance innovations. Industry leaders are convening to explore how fintech, embedded finance, and digital infrastructure shape the next chapter of financial inclusion. TC discussions aim to support resilience, ethical technology adoption, and collaboration across banking and insurance sectors. As Indonesia embraces digital transformation, TC events highlight the evolving financial landscape and emerging opportunities for growth and integration within ASEAN markets. Health and infrastructure news includes major public-private collaborations to build new facilities, such as a large plasma fractionation plant to produce essential medical supplies within Indonesia. This project aims to bolster self-sufficiency and enhance domestic capabilities in critical healthcare sectors. With projected production capacity in hundreds of thousands of liters, this facility represents a significant step towards strengthening healthcare infrastructure and meeting both local and regional demand for advanced medical products. Environmental resilience is also visible in Indonesia's evolving disaster science and monitoring. Active volcanoes like Lewatobi continue to be monitored for activity that could impact nearby settlements. Geological agencies issue updates on tremors and hazards, enabling early warning systems and community preparedness. TC monitoring efforts reflect Indonesia's commitment to risk reduction and public safety across its vast archipelago, where volcanic activity, earthquakes, and seismic shifts are part of ongoing environmental dynamics. Indonesian cities and communities continue building towards sustainability and inclusive growth. From promoting dark sky tourism to enhancing urban cultural experiences, TC efforts showcase the nation as multifaceted appeal. Initiatives in clean energy, education, and global events highlight broader trends toward innovation, resilience, and cultural celebration. Community groups, private enterprises, and government bodies are working in tandem to create a future where tradition coexists with progress, offering rich experiences for residents and visitors alike. As the year progresses, Indonesia's diverse landscape, from economic development to cultural festivities, paints a dynamic picture of national progress. With an emphasis on inclusivity, global engagement, and sustainability, recent news reflects communities striving for growth while preserving unique heritage. Whether through international tourism promotion, food culture initiatives, or disaster response systems, Indonesia stands out as a nation with robust ambitions and a vibrant society eager to shape its path forward in the region and beyond. Emerging economic strategies, including expanding rich exports and hosting international sports events, demonstrate Indonesia's role as both a regional leader and a global participant. By balancing economic initiatives with cultural and environmental stewardship, the country continues to attract international attention and investment. Stakeholders across sectors are eyeing opportunities in tech innovation, sustainable tourism, and inclusive growth models. TC developments underscore Indonesia's evolving narrative in the global sphere, moving beyond headlines to illustrate a progressive, multifaceted nation. Looking ahead, Indonesia's priorities encompass disaster readiness, economic modernization, diverse tourism offerings, and deepening expertise in science and culture. As communities adapt to climate challenges and global trends, national efforts to build resilience are becoming increasingly visible. Investments in education, infrastructure, and international collaboration are creating capacities for long-term growth. This broad spectrum of developments illustrates Indonesia's journey as a dynamic hub in Southeast Asia, where innovation and tradition are shaping a promising future.